आखिर अभिषेक बच्चन ने क्यों कहा वाइफ ऐश्वर्या राय को थैंक यू? अभिषेक बच्चन को आई वाइफ ऐश्वर्या राय की याद। पिछले कुछ समय से अभिषेक बच्चन और ऐश्वर्या राय के डिवोर्स के रूमर्स ने जोर पकड़ा हुआ है, क्योंकि दोनों सोशल गैदरिंग से लेकर सोशल आउटिंग्स पर आ रहे हैं अलग अलग नजर। तो वहीं अब अभिषेक बच्चन थैंक्ड ऐश्वर्या राय फॉर सपोर्टिंग देयर फैमिली व्हाइल ही परस्यूड हिज करियर. He also praised his parents' sacrifices and reflected on the quiet strength fathers bring to parenting. अभिषेक बच्चन ने किया वाइफ ऐश्वर्या राय के प्रति ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देयर डॉटर आराध्या, which actually allowed him the freedom to pursue his film career. He also reflected on the sacrifices his parents Jaya and Amitabh Bachchan while raising him and his sister Shweta Bachchan. Well, Abhishek Bachchan ने कहा, In my household, I'm lucky I get to go out and make movies, but I know that Aishwarya is at home with Aaradhya, and I thank her immensely for that. But I don't think the kids look at it that way. They don't look at you as a third person, they look at you as the first person. Speaking about Aaradhya, he said, You climb mountains on one leg if you have to for your child. तो वहीं अभिषेक बच्चन ने घर की विमेन की तारीफ करते हुए इनके कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस को किया एक्नॉलेज और कहा, What they do nobody can. However, he reflected on how fathers often express their love differently. A father does it all but quietly because he does not know how to express or demonstrate it. It's a flaw that men have, he said. My mother stopped acting when I was born because she wanted to spend time with the children. We never felt the void of dad not being around. I think at the end of the day, after work you come home at night, he said. Well, इन सबके बावजूद अभिषेक ने ये भी कहा कि father Amitabh Bachchan has always been a present father. Abhishek recalled, growing up there would be weeks I wouldn't see my father and he sleeps in the room right next to me. The door of me and my sister's room and the master bedroom would always be open. He would always come after we had gone to bed and would leave before we woke up the next morning. Despite his busy schedule, I don't remember a single annual day at my school or the basketball finals that he missed. At the end of the day, he's always there for us. Well, looks like अभिषेक बच्चन अपने घर की महिलाओं का कंट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं एडमायर, और तो और वाइफ ऐश्वर्या राय के भी हैं वो काफी शुक्रगुजार। हालांकि नेटिजन्स का तो एक ही सवाल है कि अभिषेक की रिसेंटली रिलीज्ड फिल्म आई वांट टू टॉक को ऐश्वर्या राय ने आखिर क्यों नहीं किया प्रमोट, या फिर उसकी तारीफ में कुछ क्यों नहीं कहा।